Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate is useful for so many more things than just making your cake taste better. As a general rule, anything that smells can be deodorized with the right application of baking soda. Life hacks of baking soda. Fresh your mouth. Stir a tablespoon of baking soda into a glass of water and here presto, you have a mouthwash that will neutralize any bad mouth odor. Facial scrub. Not only will you be saving money but also the environment. Create a baking soda paste and gently apply onto your face in a circular motion. Treat insect bites and itchy skin. Insect bite can be a real pain. Reduce the irritation by making a baking soda paste and applying to affected area. Clean brushes and comb. Natural oil build up on your combs and brushes is a common problem. Soak them in a basin of warm water and baking soda. Then rinse and dry. Foot spa. A long day running can take its toll on your feet. Enjoy a foot spa courtesy of 3 tablespoons of baking soda and warm water. Get rid of heartburn. Heartburn is a serious problem. Relieve that sensation with half of tablespoon of baking soda with half a glass of water. Helpful boost of liquid detergent. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to your liquid detergent to help remove stain and get your clothes bright. Lift oil and grease stain. Removing oil and grease stain becomes surprisingly easy with a simple mix of baking soda and warm water. Shoes de-smelling. Paper your shoes with baking soda to keep those foul-smelling foot bacteria at bay.